Yes, I am now starting another question. Question number 15. Question is given. This is from revision 2, chapter class 9, general maths. Question is given. Area of a triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square. If the height AD corresponding to the base BC is 10 centimeter, find the length of the base. I have drawn the diagram according to the question. ABC is a triangle. BC is the base. On BC, I have drawn a perpendicular AD and its length is given 10 centimeter. We have to find the measure of BC. So we know area of a triangle formula, half into base into height. Area we have, it is given that area is 30 centimeter square. So in case of area of a triangle, I have written 30 equal to half to base. Base is BC and AD is height. Height is 10 given. So 2 and 10 cancel 5 times. Now you see 5 BC is equal to 30. Therefore BC is equal to 6. Now another question. Question number 16. In triangle PQR, suppose you see this is the triangle PQR, lengths of QR and PR. You see QR, its length is given 4 centimeter and PR, its length is given 8 centimeter. If the height corresponding to the base QR, that is PL. PL is given 6 centimeter. Find the height corresponding to the base PR. That is, we have to find the measure of QL. So again you write area of triangle PQR is equal to formula we know half into base into height. Here you see in QR base is given 4, height is given 6, so you put it here 4 into 6, 2 and this cancel, so you will get 12 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Again you write we know area of triangle PQR is equal to half into with respect to base PR now. You write base is PR and height will be QM. This is QM. Okay. So PQR area of the triangle is 12 we know. Half into base is given 8 and QM we have to find out. Okay. So 2 and 8 cancel 4 times. So you will get 12 equal to 4 into QM. Therefore, measure of QM is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3 cm. So we have completed question number 16 also. Now you see question number 17. In this question it is given in triangle ABC the height AD. You see I am doing the triangle here. ABC is the triangle given. ABC is the triangle given. Height AD. This is the height with respect to base. BC is also written here. See BC. Its length is 4, height is 4. A point P lies on BC. You see, suppose P is a point, it is lies on BC, such that BP equal to 3 centimeter. This BP is 3. This is 3. Okay. BP is 3 centimeter, and the area of the triangle ABP. This is the triangle. This is the triangle ABP. Area of the triangle ABP is equal to the area of triangle APC. Find the length of PC. We have to find the length of PC. Okay. So you write here area of triangle APC is, this is APC. Its base is not given. You write half into PC into base into height. Height is AD, that is 4. Again you write area of triangle ABP is, ABP you have seen ABP. Its base is given 3. It is 3. I have written here 3. BP is 3. So BP is the base 3 into height is again 4 you write. Height will be same for triangle APC, for triangle ABP, for triangle ABC. Height will be 4 in all cases. So you cancel 2 and 4 2 times. So you will get here 6. Now you write according to the question. In the question you have given area of triangle ABP is equal to area of triangle APC. You see this is triangle, area of triangle ABP 6 and APC is half. You can cancel it 2 and this cancel 2 times, so you will get 2PC. Okay. Now area of APC becomes 2PC and area of triangle ABP becomes 6. So according to the question you write 2PC and 6 both are equal by the question condition. Therefore you write PC is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3 centimeters. Okay. 3 centimeters. That is the answer of question number 17. Now question number 18 is radius of a semicircular garden. Whatever. Okay, it is not clear, that's why I am stopped here. Radius of a semicircular garden is 10 meter. You see, it is a semicircular garden or semicircular structure. Its radius means this length or this length. It is given 10 meter. Find the area of the garden. You see, area of a semicircle, actually we know area of a circle is pi r square. But since it is the half of the circle, so area will be half pi r square. Now you write half pi is given 3.14 and r is given 10 centimeter, 10 meter. You see, radius is given 10. So here you write 10 square will be 100. Now cancel by 2. It will be 1.57 into 100 and 1.57 into 100 will be 15700. Decimal will be after 2 digit. So answer will be 157 meter square. This is question number 18. Okay. Now we are coming to the question number 19. Question number 19 is from a circular sheet of paper, suppose a with radius 4 centimeter, a circle is given here. Suppose its radius is 4 centimeter. Okay. A circular piece of radius 3 centimeter is cut out. If we cut this portion which is 3 centimeters, by cutting we are withdrawing this part from here. Find the area of the remaining portion. Okay, so you see this its radius up to this is 3 and the greater one is 4. So area of the remaining portion you write area of the remaining portion is equal to area of greater circle minus area of smaller circle. Okay, I have written shortly. I have told it orally, so you can understand this circle. It is circle. Okay, area of greater circle. We know area of the circle is pi r square. So here pi is same. R will be the greater radius is 4. So you write 4 square minus again area of the smaller circle is pi into 3 square. It can be written as pi common. So here 4 square remains, here 3 square remains. So pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. Here you write 16 minus 9. Then you will get 22 by 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 7 cancel. So answer will be 22 centimeter square is the area of the remaining portion. You see this will be the remaining portion. Okay, this portion will be the remaining portion. So its area is we have calculated 22 centimeter square. Next question. A wire of length 44 centimeter. Suppose this is the wire. Its length is given 44 centimeter. If we bend it like a circle, suppose with the help of this wire we have made this circle. We have to find the radius of this circle. Okay. So length of the wire, actually you see length of the wire and length of this total path of the circle is same. So you write that is called circumference and the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. This is called the total length of the circle is called circumference. And with the help of this wire we have made the circle, so length of the wire and circumference of the circle will be same. That's why in place of circumference you write 44. Here you write 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now cross multiplication. 44 into 7, you see 44 into 7 equal to 2 into 22, that is 44 r. Therefore r is equal to 44 into 7 by 44. So if we cancel it, your answer will come 7 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. Maths is completed here. Very easy. Next question number 21. 21. The minute hand of a clock. You see, there are two director in a there is one is time, one denoted time and one denoted minute. So minute is the longer one. Okay. So you can see it can be considered as the radius of the circle, because any point from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. So its length is given 20 millimeter. This is 20 millimeter. Okay. How much distance will the tip of the minute hand travel in half an hour? So half an hour means up to this, up to this. How much distance covered means from this point to this point. It is like, you see, it is called semicircle. Okay, this is half an hour means semicircle for a watch, or for a clock. So we have to find the length means circumference of the semicircle. You can write circumference of the semicircle, and circumference of the semicircle, actually circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and semicircle is half of 2 pi r. Okay, this is the formula, you remember this. So now cancel 2 pi, we know 22 by 7, and r is given 20 millimeters. So in place of r you write 20. Then it can be written as 22 into 20 is 440 by 7. If you divide it now, 7 6 is 42, 2 remains 20, 7 2 is 14, 6 remains 60, 7 8 is 56. Approximately 62.8 millimeter is the total length covered by half an hour. Okay. Now one question, question number 22. A square garden has a side length of a square garden. Suppose this is the square garden. Side length is given 100 meter. Inside the garden there is a path of 5 meter wide. Suppose I am drawing the square garden outside. This is the square garden of each side measures 100 meter. Okay. Now there is a path. You see, this is the path inside the square garden of wide 5 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 5 meter. 5 meter. 5 meter. There is, in all throughout the garden 5 meter wide path is there. All along the boundary, find the area of the path. We have to find the area of this portion. Okay. We have to find the area of the path only. So you see here the length of each side of the garden is 100. Now what is the length of, there is without path, what is the length of the garden? You see, this is the length of the garden taking together the path. Okay, so this is the garden. You see, this portion is the only garden. This portion is the garden with path. So you write length of the garden without path. That is important. So you see, garden with path is 100. So 5 meter road, 5 meter road. So you can subtract 5 from both sides. Then it will be 100 minus 10. It will be 90. 90 meter inside square, side of the square, side of the inside square is 90 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the you right. Therefore, area of the garden with path is, it is a square garden, so area formula side square. Okay. Side is given 100 square. So you can write 10000 square meter is the whole area. Now you find area of the garden without path is, you see we have calculated without path length of the garden is 90, so its area is 90 square, and 90 square is 8100 meter square. Therefore, area of the path is equal to, area of the path is equal to, you write 10,000 minus 8100. Now it can be written as this meter square. 1900 meter square is the area of the path. Okay. So this is also I have completed here, and the question is a little bit eh, problematic for you maybe. So I have shown each step carefully. So please, if you have any problem, you can ask me on the message box. Okay. Another question, last one, 23 number. Question is given, a rectangular field is 180 meter long and 120 meter wide. You see, suppose it is a rectangular field, its length is 180, this side is also 180, this is 120, this is also 120. A road 6 meter wide is constructed outside the boundary. You see, this is a road, its wide is 6 meter all throughout the garden. This is 180, so it will be 6 more, 6 more. This is 6 more, this is 6 more because path. This is 120. Here 6 meter wide road is there, 6 meter wide road is there. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the road. Okay. You see. First you write area of inside rectangle is, you write length into breadth. Formula of area is length into breadth. So length is given 180 meter and breadth is given 120. So 20, it will be meter square. 21600 meter square. I have multiplied 18 into 12, so we have got it. Now you write area of the outside rectangle is equal to, we know area of a rectangle is length into breadth, so length inside length is 180, but outside length is 6 more in both sides. This 6 and this 6 for path. Okay. Into breadth is 120, again 6 more in both sides. So their sum will be 192, and here the sum will be 132. Here I am multiplying 192 and 132, 4, 3, 8, 6, 5, 7, and here 2, 9, 1. What is their sum? 4, 6, 14, 4 remaining 1, 4, 7, 11, 13, 3 remaining 1, 10 and 5, 15, 5 remaining 1. This. 4, okay, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4. So I am writing here 2, 5, 3, 4, 4 meter square. This is the area with garden along with path. But we have to find the area of the path. You write now. Therefore, area of the path is the greater one minus smaller one. You write 2, 5, 3, 4, 4 minus 21600 meter square. So after subtraction, we'll get 44, 44, and 0 is there. So I have written 44. 3 minus 6 is not possible, so taking 1 here, 13 minus 6 will be 7. It remains 4, 4 minus 1 is 2. So 2744 meter square is the answer of question number 23. So we have completed near about all the maths. Two remaining maths are there. These are not so important, so I will not show it. But if you anyone ask me about the maths, I will show you how to do the answer. I have actually completed 24, but I will not want to do for you because it will not. It is not so important for your examination purpose. So I have completed all the maths of revision chapter 2. So you can check those who have come new in my channel. Please, you can check all the previous maths. You will get all the maths in the previous videos. So I am completing here. Before completing my video, I am requesting you all, request to all of you, to please subscribe and like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Your if you your subscription is my uh, that is I got inspiration. So if you inspired me, I will give you all the maps of class 8, 9, and 10 one by one. Thank you and good night.